Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Ahmed, and today we're going to talk about minority rights. Minority rights, oppression, fighting against oppression, and management malpractice, which means Section 286 and 287 of the Companies Act 2017. Do you own 30% or 40% shares of a company and you're a minority shareholder in a company, but you feel that you have 0% powers in the company? And the majority shareholders, like 60% or 70% shareholders, they are making all the decisions regarding the company assets, the company accounts, the company money, and they are ignoring you. If you are feeling like this, that your decisions are being ignored, your input is being ignored, and you are being devalued, and you are not treated fairly, you are facing oppression, means you are being bullied by the majority shareholders, because in Pakistani corporate sector this is a common practice. The majority shareholders, they think they can do whatever they want, but this is not like this, because law protects you, the minority shareholders. I'll show you, if you are facing such problem, how Section 286 and Section 287 of the Companies Act protects your rights, gives you power to fight against that oppression and fight against management malpractice. Let's now draw your attention, or let's explain what is oppression indeed. In oppression, first is misuse of funds. The funds are being used for personal gains or personal growth by the majority shareholders, and those are against the interests of the minority shareholders. Second one is fraud and fake accounts, jali accounts. So the majority shareholders, they open a second or parallel line of business to steal your money and your equipment. And thirdly, unfair prejudice. The decisions they are making, the majority shareholders are making, are against your interest or to harm your interest. In these scenarios, what you can do, remember, being a minority shareholder does not mean being a victim, because the law protects you. I'll show you now how Section 286 and 287 gives you power to fight back against this oppression. Now, first of all, what you can do, the legal remedies. First of all, you will file an online complaint at SECP, Securities Exchange Commission of Pakistan's website. You can find their website through Google, or it's very easy to remember. I'll show you the picture where you can file an online complaint. There is a specific portion of complaints. So you can file an online complaint in the SECP. SECP has the powers to summon record of any company, or appoint an inspector to go and visit and see that the allegations you're leveling or the accusations you're charging against the company are correct or incorrect. And if the SECP finds that the matter is more complex and it's beyond their jurisdiction, they'll issue you a letter. That letter is your ticket to high court. Now, you move to high court. You remember you will have to file a petition before the company bench. We explained section 5 gives you the exclusive jurisdiction to go to the high court, and then the section 6 gives the mandate. Why I'm encouraging you to go to high court and file a petition under section 286 of the Companies Act 2017, because section 6 explains that the respondent has to file the response, the written reply, within 30 days. That's the speed. And then the mandate, the court has the mandate to decide the case in 120 days. And then the court has the inherent powers under 286 as well. Like we see under section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure, the court has inherent powers. Here, even the company bench has the inherent powers. So you have this whole shield, legal shield, to protect your interests. Now, if the company's bench finds that any board resolution has been passed without any authority or in an irregular manner or without quorum, you can get it cancelled under section 136. And if any decision has been made against your interest and the company bench finds the same under section 153 to 157, even it get cancelled. So you don't have to worry about it, that you are a minority shareholders and you cannot do anything, because the law treats everyone equally, fairly, and your rights are protected. Remember, I'm going to give you a pro tip, like it's a technical kind of advice, how to win your case. Remember, if you want to win your case and you don't want to lose in the court or before the SECP, when you file a complaint or when you file a petition in the company bench, please remember you have to attach all the necessary documents as proofs, like the decisions made, the board of resolutions made, if you find any parallel business, if you find any fake account, if you find any bank statements, any such document which can strengthen your case. So you have to get the copies or the attested copies and attach the same with the petition you file before SECP or before the court, so you can win your case. Now, in the end, I would request you to please don't worry and don't sit at home. Just take action. Don't worry about the fee of the counsel. Sometimes people, they are worried about, like, in the company matters, the lawyers, they charge very high amount of fee. Sometimes even the court declares that the fee should be paid by the person who is guilty. So you don't have to worry about it. Protect your rights, protect your investment. If you feel that this information is useful for you or any of your friends, I will request you to please like this video and share this information, this video, with your business friends, and please hit the subscribe button so the information reaches to more people. This is for today's video. In the we'll see you in the next video. In the next video, it's a more complex issue where you are not a majority and minority shareholders. You are on equal footing, like you are 50% shareholder and the other party is also 50% shareholders, and they're having any dispute, how they can resolve it and what is the remedy, we'll talk in the next video. Thank you for today.